Welcome all to today's class on latches. This is Dr. K. Sangeeta for Administrative Law. Latches is a doctrine which, like a statute of limitation, serves as a defense to legal proceedings when the plaintiff has waited too long before bringing the claim. It applies where there is lack of diligence by the party against whom the defense is asserted. Second, prejudice, harm to the party asserting the defense. Maxim, vigilantibus non dormantibus aequitas subvent. Equity adds the vigilant, not those who are slumber on their rights. The doctrine of latches consists of the following element. The first one, the plaintiff delayed filing suit for unreasonable and inexcusable length of time from the time the plaintiff knew that reasonably should have known of its claim against the defendant. Second, the delay operated to the prejudice or injury of the defendant. Statute of limitation and doctrine of latches. The law encourages a speedy resolution for every dispute. Cases in law are governed by statute of limitation, which are laws that determine how long a person has to file a lawsuit before the right to sue expires. Different types of injuries like torts, contract have different time periods in which a suit has to be filed. Latches is an equitable equivalent of statutes of limitation. However, unlike statute of limitation, latches leaves it up to the court to determine, based on the unique facts of the case, whether a plaintiff has waited too long to seek such a relief. From when does the period of latches calculated? The period of delay for latches for a trademark, copyright or a patent infringement claims runs only from the time that the plaintiff knew or should have known about an actual or an impending infringement. Acquiescence. Acquiescence, consenting by remaining silent. Acquiescence implies positive acts, so the burden of proof is on the defendant. Section 32C of Act 1999, Defense of Acquiescence. Here Section 33 talks about effect of acquiescence. If you have remained acquiescence for a continuous period of 5 years in the use of registered trademark, being aware of the use, the latter trademark is not entitled to oppose the use of the earlier trademark or the exploitation of the earlier trademark. In Kodai India Limited versus Scotch Whisky Association and others, here Justice Sinha and Patna, the judge held that we therefore, in the peculiar facts and circumstances of this case, are of the opinion that the action of the respondent is barred under the principle of acquiescence and or waiver. Enforcement strategies: opposing application or registration, issuing cease or desist letter, publishing warning to the infringers, identifying the distributor, manufacturer and financial source of infringement or counterfeiting. And thank you for patiently listening to Latches. Thank you.